So here at Custom Offsets, we know a thing or two about tires because we've sold literally millions of tires and we have thousands of them in inventory. Now, me personally, I've been fortunate enough to have the pleasure to be invited by race teams and tire manufacturers to travel legitimately all around the world to test out new tires. So for today, we're bringing you the top 5 tires under 1,500 bucks, and there's one in there that you've probably never heard of, and you're not gonna wanna miss it. So we got 5 different tires to show you today, kind of just pick the best in each category. So each one of them is good in their own separate way, and we'll kind of dive into that as we explain it here. We're kicking things off with the Radar Renegade RT. This is the one that's in front of me here. You can see it is a very aggressive looking tire, and they do also offer you 2 different sidewalls. So whether you want the skulls or you want your standard, you can kind of pick, and we'll get that set up for you. These are a 121 load index and a load range E and 10 ply rated. So any kind of like half-ton pickup truck, even if you're doing towing, these are gonna be plenty for you. In the flotation sizes, like your typical like 35, 12.5, R20 like we got here, that's gonna be 40,000 miles. In your passenger sizes, so if you've got a smaller truck or just like an OEM replacement sizes, a little bit extra there, 45,000 mile warranty. And as far as price point goes, all of these that we're gonna show you under 1,500 bucks, these come in right around 1,200. For being such an affordable tire, they're actually pretty decent in most conditions. We've had guys run these here in our Wisconsin winters, and they've kind of ranted and raved about these being pretty decent in the snow. When you look at how this thing is actually constructed, you can see that your center blocks are tighter together. That's gonna be common on those RTs, and then as we move out towards the edge, with our shoulder lugs, those are a little further apart, so kind of giving you that off-road stability that you're looking for. You also have stepped tread blocks. That's these little steps on the outside here. Gonna give you more stability as well. Plus stone ejectors on the outside so that these things aren't gonna hold on to rocks, not gonna fling them up at you. As far as sizes go, Radar offers these in a million different sizes. They got them all for you. So next up is the Kenda Klever RT. I have personally ran these, and these are one of my personal favorites, and overall they're a great performing tire. So what you're gonna see on the Kendas is that they actually take the technology from their race teams and put that into their street legal tires as well. And you kind of get to see that as far as a visual aspect on their sidewall. Kenda also gives you a little more beef in these things. These are a 3-ply sidewall, which is a big deal if you're in the off-road community. And 125 load index, plus it's a load range F tire and 12 ply rated. So now if you've got that Super Duty or the 3/4 ton, or you do a lot of heavy towing, these are gonna be a great option for you. They've also added a lot of extra siping in here, so when it comes to wet traction or snow traction, this tire is also gonna handle that very well too. Again, traditionally, like we see with the hybrid tires, your center lugs are closer together, the outside shoulder lugs are nice, big, and beefy, and they've also got these things pre-drilled for studs, so if you live in an area that allows studded tires, it's a great winter option for you. These tires don't have a mileage warranty, but that doesn't mean that you just don't get any warranty at all. They still have a manufacturer warranty that's going to protect against any defects or any faults with the tire. And when it comes to price, these are a little bit more expensive, around $1,350 or so, but you're still getting a really good tire for that price. So the fact that you can get a 35 for less than 1,500 bucks is pretty impressive, really. And when you pair these things up with wheels, we can also get you a great package price and ship them right to your door, already assembled, so you can just bolt them right on. Just like most of the manufacturers, these are offered in pretty much every single size. Next up, we got the Venom Power Terra Hunter XT. So not only have we tested these out, but a bunch of you guys have tested them out too, and this is by far one of our most popular tires. This is another tire that I've actually had on my personal vehicles as well, and I had pretty good performance out of these things. There's still some people that are skeptical because they haven't heard of Venom Power before, but Venom Power is really backing up their product here by offering you a 50,000 mile treadwear warranty. So these are slightly cheaper than the Kendas, not by a whole bunch, about $1,330 or so. You can also see that Venom Power has added some siping, not as much as some of the other manufacturers on here, so you have okay wet traction. I mostly use this on that truck to pull my boat. I never had any problems getting in and out of the boat ramp, but we have seen some people say that the wet traction could be improved on the Terra Hunter XT. Again, this is another one of those hybrid tires, so it's a bit tighter in the center and wider on the outside. These also are a 121 load index. It's a load range E. It's a 10 ply rated tire. Now, if you are trying to squeeze 35s onto like maybe a level truck that probably should really have either a metric size tire or 33s, you can go to this 35 because it's just slightly smaller. You can get away with a 35-inch tire with less rubbing and less trimming. Venom Power also is offering these in a bunch of sizes too. So you got show size wheels, now we got show size tires. If you're looking for a tire that won't break the bank, this is the RBP Repulsor RT. Now, this is by far the most affordable tire option out there for you. They're only right around $1,000 for a set of 4, which is really impressive for a 35-inch tire. They also have a manufacturer warranty, so you don't have to be too scared about buying these things. They're not tread wear warranty, but any kind of defects is going to be taken care of for you. They've also increased the load index on this thing to 125, load range F. It's a 12-ply rated tire, so it is a pretty robust tire. You can still run this on your 3/4 ton if you're doing a bunch of heavy towing. Considering this is such an affordable tire, one of the biggest complaints that I'm always worried about is, well, what about road noise? And actually what we've heard from you guys that have demoed these ones is that it's not so bad. As far as the design goes, they are pretty aggressive looking tread. It's a little softer on the outside because they roll the shoulder blocks over. Again, for $1,000, I don't know if you can find anything else in the 35-inch tire range. These also are offered in even bigger sizes than some of the competitors, so 20s, no problem, 22, 24, even all the way up to a 26-inch wheel. You can throw a set of RBPs on there. This tire, brand new tire, you've probably never seen it before. This is the Kelfire DMR RT. If you're wondering, well, who is Kelfire? It's Kelfire by Custom Offsets. We have stepped into the market here to bring you guys this line of tires. Like I said, this is the DMR RT, so this is the entry into the hybrid game for us. Now, this also, we're gonna jump up. We're gonna give you the 125 load index, gonna give you the load range F. It's gonna be 12-ply rated, and you get a 45,000 mileage tread wear warranty, but they're only a little over $1,200, $1,200, $1,300 right in there. And they're specifically designed for our show size wheels, so 20s and plus, 20, 22, 24. And as things go along, I'm sure there'll be more sizes released too. So where this tire comes into play is that it gives you the best of everything. Not only are we combining the all-terrain and the mud-terrain into our hybrid, but we're also trying to kind of find the perfect balance here of cost and quality and performance. And that's this, the whole tire is designed around that. Looking at the design here, you can see tread is very, very aggressive. The sidewall you're gonna see is very aggressive too. It's got very sharp angled lines. They've added good technology in here too, like as far as the stepped tread blocks, not only just on the outside shoulder lugs, but on the inner blocks as well. You've got stone ejectors made into a cool KF logo. These tires have been a long time in the making, so there's a bunch of factory testing that's already been done, but I personally haven't gotten a chance to drive on them yet, so that's what we're gonna go to now. So of course, the first time I get to drive on these tires, we're actually gonna be driving in the snow, thanks to this lovely Wisconsin weather we're having. But the good news is, I'm actually pretty impressed by these, especially when you consider the price point. I've driven on a few other sets of demo tires that never made it to the market and was legitimately scared to drive on them. We are far from that here. In all aspects of life, you get what you pay for, right? But here, we don't have like any kind of excessive road noise, especially for this aggressive of a tire design. I think it's kind of a good blend of tread compound where you have enough softness to get traction with enough rigidness that these things are gonna last. This is my first time driving on them, and so far I'm pretty impressed.